Welcome to Kitchen and Garden with
Ivy.
and Steve. Okay, so a midsummer garden tour. So here we have our hanging baskets with petunias in. If I get stuck on any of these plants, I'll ask Ivy for some help. So Ivy, what's this purple one here?
Heuchera.
Heuchera.
It's a purple heuchera.
It's doing very, very good. And we've got rhododendron down there, isn't it?
Rhododendron, and underneath we have some petunias
Yes.
growing at the moment.
Yeah.
And this one we have some pink geranium, and look at this color.
That is nice, yeah.
Stripy. There's a yellow on the side and kind of magenta.
Okay, and this, what's this one that we've got here?
Sweet peas.
Sweet peas?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know they
It
flowered.
smells. These sweet peas, you don't eat the
You don't eat the pods?
fruit, the pods.
You just replant the next year?
There's two different kinds. This sweet peas
Yeah.
and the normal peas.
And these look like trumpet lilies or something.
It's giant lilies.
Giant lilies, yeah. If you get that stamen on you, it stains your clothes, doesn't it? They're
Yeah.
nice, very nice. Got some more petunias down there.
It's
Look like they've
still
been dipped in
growing.
oil, them ones, they're nice.
This
Ooh, what's this pink one?
pink dahlias.
Ooh, very nice. And, oh, I like these little blue ones.
This blue, this is cornflower.
Very cool.
Cornflower. We got some different.
They look like snapdragons, but
no,
they're not, are they?
it's still sweet peas. And look at
Oh,
this.
okay. Oh, that's a nice rose that you got tucked around the back there. It's a very nice colour.
Yeah.
It's like you can make toilet paper out of that.
No, it smells nice.
Yeah, cool. And we got these
And
little
then,
ones.
and then some of this still pink ones, same as
The
this blue.
Yeah, just different
Cornflower.
variety. And the same with these. These are cornflower too. Look.
Yeah.
It's a little hoverfly there. He's doing quite well.
And then you got your maroon giant lilies.
Very
And
nice.
at the bottom here
Oh, I didn't even see those. They're cool.
is verbena pink.
They're very colourful,
verbena.
aren't they?
Look.
Very nice. You got these little purple ones down here as well. Those are quite cool.
Yeah, this one is falling down. Salvias.
Salvias.
Those are salvias.
Okie doke.
Snapdragons.
Very cool. And then back to some more hanging baskets this end.
Right, look, I'll show you something.
But our hanging baskets will also act as like a clothesline, which is quite cool. You just run the line from one end to the other. There's the line up there. Yeah, very practical and pretty.
And look, I'll show you.
Yeah.
This is what I like. This is my favorite. Look
Oh,
at
okay.
this.
Just tucked in the back there. Oh, isn't that
That's
pretty?
huge flower.
that?
Look at this. Geranium.
It's a geranium. Okay, cool.
Geranium is same as this geranium, but this geranium is small. And look at this. It's massive.
It's really nice, yeah.
Than this one.
Terrific.
And you got this. I forgot
Okay,
about.
so now we've got to go around the hanging baskets. Whoop, excuse me, hanging baskets. And yeah, I'll show you this a bit later, but this is our new addition to the garden. Beautiful. I'll show you that a bit in better detail later. We've got another giant lily down there. And what's the white one behind it?
That is phlox, white phlox.
White phlox.
Yeah,
I've not
then
heard
you
of
got
one of them
red
before.
flower. And then there's a pink phlox that's coming now over here,
Oh yeah,
over there.
that's nice.
And that's a red rose.
And this almost looks like a tree. Is that some sort of acer?
No,
What is that?
what they call it? Hang on a
Okay.
minute, I'll show you. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is
Oh,
a pink
yeah, of
flower.
course.
It's white.
Yeah.
And then look at this color. This is still sweet peas.
Oh yeah, that's cool. It's coming out nice.
And then more roses coming here.
Yeah.
Some pansy stalks. And another basket on the
Then
wall.
we've got one of my tropical plants that I got from a car boot sale there that seems to be doing all right now. That didn't look too well at the start of the year when we first moved in, did it?
Look at this. It's coming now. I don't know what it look like.
Oh, okay. It's a bit interesting when that flowers then.
It's a, what do you call it? It's a fox float.
Yeah,
There's a
cool.
tag underneath.
Okay.
Pink tulip. No, it's not.
No, not too
forgot.
sure what that is, but we'll find out. And what's this purple? Is that a salvia?
Salvia.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting better with my plant names. This purple one,
It's Japanese tree plant.
yeah, I was going to say it looks Japanese, like a maple, or it's not quite an acer, is it? I don't know what that
Make
is.
it,
It's nice.
have a look at the foliage.
Yeah, it's very cool, isn't it? I do like the shape of the leaves.
There are more sweet peas flower here.
Very
And look
cool.
at that basket.
Oh yeah, yeah, and there's mosaics that my granddad made for us. Beautiful they are. There's 3 of them along the fence there. Very talented guy is my granddad.
Look at this flower. This is from hostas. The hostas flowering.
Very nice.
And then
Cool.
hostas yellow there.
And there's another mosaic that my dad done there that we use as a water dish for birds and things. Another sort of like hanging basket, but it's actually on a stand, which is quite cool. little birdhouse. We've yet to have had visitors to that. Hopefully we will.
Giant lilies.
Yep. And you've got a blue spruce down there, and that's hot lip salvia, isn't it?
It is, yeah. That one.
Very
Salvia,
nice.
salvia.
Then we've got a few little alpines going along down the front here and between the rocks and things, and they're doing quite nice. Oh, look at this lily. That's beautiful.
That one is as well.
And yellow, yeah.
This coming up.
Very cool.
All the yellow ones is gone.
Yep. And then what are these ones again? I really like these.
Amethyst.
They look almost Japanese, don't they?
It's amethyst. This is amethyst red. They said red, but it's like magenta. And this is
Very
pink.
nice. I really like the shape of the leaves and the colour of the flower. It's nice.
And you got 3 there.
Yeah.
And you got more hanging baskets white.
Yeah.
And giant lilies. We have lilies all around, so it smells nice.
It's very cool. And there's our greenhouse. And then you've seen the raised beds in previous videos with the hanging baskets. They're doing very well. However, you probably haven't seen just how big our pumpkin plant's getting now. Look, it's almost at our garage. That shouldn't happen. I don't know, I've never grown pumpkins before.
You got some
Sunflower. Yeah. So pollinators to bring them in to help with your herb garden or vegetable garden. Yeah. Doing very well.
Marigolds.
Marigolds, yep.
Marigolds.
Got orange and yellow. They look very pretty, but they also serve a purpose as keeping away insects and things, don't they? So yeah, it's all good.
Yeah. Look at them.
Yeah, the corn's doing very well. Yeah, very well indeed.
The tomatoes. Have a look at tomatoes.
Yeah,
Go
they're
over
still a little bit green. We've got to wait until they start reddening up before we can pick them. But that's kind of our garden tour. I mean, we've got another little corner over here. So sort of the last corner. Again, it's just salvias and a few other choice plants.
Look at them.
But yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's cool. But then some of these pots, like this one over here, Ivy got the ideas from like Garden Answers and things on the planting arrangements and stuff. One of her favourite YouTube channels. A little bit of a shout out there. Not that she needs one because she's doing awesome. But yeah, there we
That
go.
one and that one as well.
Cool.
This campanula, this been flowering. This purple flower, this been flowering since May, and it's July now. So we enjoyed flowers since then.
We'll have to do a garden tour of the front garden in the next video, so stay tuned for that. There's one of my favourites, bluegrass, but we've got the Japanese red grass out the front, the blood grass as well. Okay, so I'll just do a quick spin around the garden. Let's go this way. So, well, that's the way we just came. So we came up there, but what you didn't see probably is our centre garden arch that we can also walk through. But it is looking quite nice now. I mean, this is midsummer, so it's fairly in bloom at the moment. We usually get visitors like butterflies and bumblebees. We have got a little bumblebee hive that we're hoping we get residents in. And we've got like a bumblebee hotel. But yeah, so far they haven't taken residents. But they're over here. We have seen a couple of visitors, but they don't seem to have stayed yet. But yeah, hopefully they will. So yeah, hopefully we'll have an update on them later in the year. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and if you like what you've seen, please subscribe or hit like just to let us know that you've seen this and you're enjoying what we're doing. Thank you. Bye-bye. A new addition to Ivy and Steve's garden, and we're quite proud of this. I mean, normally you'd put it round a tree or something, but we just decided to put like a simple pot at the bottom that's got some salvia in there. It smells beautiful, and yeah, nice little seating area on our decking towards the back end of our garden, where we can enjoy the view of all of our plants, and we've got a prime position for the pond as well. So yeah, the decking is just behind me there. Perfect. Please stay with Ivy and Steve a little bit longer and click one of these links that you can see on your screen now. And yeah, if you have liked our channel and like what you see and want to see more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.